give me a good idea of what the return can and the return duct looks like up there too, because I've never actually climbed up in that small little attic that's up above here. Bet this hasn't been off in 20 years. Oh yeah, she's dirty. I'm probably gonna get my shop vac up here. Not good. Let's show you. Yeah. Get my shop back up and clean that up, as far back as I can. At least they put a hard elbow on that before it goes to the flags. So, yeah, we'll get this all fixed up.